Out of every 10 elevator companies that buy ERP software, 7 abandon it within 12 months. I have seen it happen across India, the UK, the Middle East and Africa. And I built ElevatorPlus specifically to break that pattern. Here is exactly why these implementations fail and the 5 things you have to do differently if you want a system that actually sticks. If you have ever invested in software, watch your team use it for a month and then watch them quietly drift back to WhatsApp and Excel, this video is for you. I'm not at all going to sell you any product in this video. I'm going to give you an implementation playbook we use. You can apply it to any system, including ours, including competitors. First reason, generic CRMs and ERPs don't understand elevator workflows. They don't know what an AMC is. They don't know that one lift has a 20+ year service relationship attached to it. They don't know that a single technician handles 30 sites a week. So your team has to bend their daily work to fit a generic tool. And humans don't bend, they abandon. The fix? Industry-specific software. Built for elevators, not adopted from a generic SaaS template. Second reason, most vendors sell you a software and disappear. You get login, a video tutorial and a help desk number that takes 3 days to respond. An elevator company has 5 departments. Each one needs its own configuration, its own training, its own habit shift. A login does not produce a habit. The fix? Hands-on implementation. Someone from the vendor team physically present or on a daily call, handhold your team for the first 60 to at least 90 days. Third reason, generic training. You sit 30 people in a room for 2 hours, walk through every feature, hand out a PDF and call it a train. 2 weeks later, half of the team has forgotten everything. The other half learned only what was relevant to them and didn't need the other 80%. The fix, role-specific, task-specific training. The technician learns the technician's workflow. The salesperson learns the sales workflow. Short sessions, repeated, built around daily tasks, not feature list. Fourth reason, even a good software dies in the gap between configured and adopted. People resist, some quietly, some loudly, and without someone driving adoption on the ground. The system fails. The fix? A dedicated adoption partner, not a help desk. Someone watching usage data weekly, calling out gaps, sitting with the team where resistance is highest, and fixing the system if there is something wrong. Fifth reason, even after clean go live, the vendor moves on to the next sale. The system stops getting updates. Bugs pile up. The team feels abandoned. The fix? An ongoing relationship. Annual MC on the software itself, regular product enhancements built around the real elevator industry needs, and direct access to the implementation team, not a ticketing queue. The 5 fixes how ElevatorPlus does it. First, built for elevators. Every workflow, sales, service, AMC, installation, inventory is industry specific. Second, implementation partner. Our team is physically and virtually with you for first 90 days at least. Third, role specific training. Technicians learn what technicians need. Owners learns what owner need. Fourth, adoption support. We track usage, we close gap, we don't leave you to figure it out. Fifth, ongoing partnership. Annual AMC on the software, continuous enhancement, direct line to the team. Reliable lifts in Pune, 80+ people, 900 active jobs, 1200 AMCs. The owner had burned 2 times. 2 previous software attempts failed because the team didn't adopt them. We did the 5 fixes, learned their workflow, given role-specific training, daily adoption support, iterated the system based on real feedback in the first weeks. Result? 90% adoption across company. The highest adoption rate among comparable implementations I have done. The owner went from skeptical to using the dashboards every day. If you have had an ERP fail in your elevator business and if you want to do it differently this time, comment implement. The team will send you our 90 days implementation playbook or book a demo at elevatorplus.app and we'll walk you through exactly how it works.